Let's see how we can quickly diagnose the ignition coil's operation by using an inductive crank sensor and this LED. Ignition coils are working right now. It means they are generating magnetic field. If we use an inductive crank sensor, we should be able to turn on this LED. So when ignition coil is working, this LED should be flashing as well. So I'm going to put it right here. As you see, LED is working. It means the ignition coil is generating magnetic field. Second one. Third one is working too. And number 4. As you see, number 4 is not working. So there is some problem on ignition coil number 4.